Hi, I'm Robert from Polymax, and for today we have this vehicle here, the Mercedes C-Class, on which we have a lot of work to do. At the back we'll be working at the exhaust. At the moment this car has only one on one side, so we'll fit and make it two. Next, this car is diesel, so it doesn't sound that great at the moment, but we'll fit an exhaust sound booster, which is a box that you see will be fitted at the back, and that will give a sound of a V6 or a V8. You have a choice. You can increase the volume, you can decrease the volume, change the settings. It's really amazing. You have an app for that as well. We have a lot of work to do, and so let's get it done.
We modified the exhaust. Initially this car had only one exhaust tip. This is a diesel car, so we modified it. We changed the diffuser. We welded another pipe there so it has a double exhaust, and the actual sound you're hearing is not because of the exhaust but because of this thingy here we mounted. This thingy here. This does the magic, so the car sounds like the petrol one. And that's it. We can go in this app, which is the app of the Maxhoust thingy, and we can change the tone. Yeah? This sounds like a V sound. You can also change the RPM, the idle tone, whatever. See? This is the idle, so you can change it. It has a lot of settings, so you can have a lot of fun with it.